Hi folks, here's the extra credit problem. I think this one is actually super hard because we've never seen anything like this before. But if you want to get a jump on it, this is how we do it. The very first thing for all of these is we need our balanced equation. So our balanced equation is from above. Here it is: 1 N2 3H2 2NH3. All right, so I'm just going to rewrite that. 1 N2 plus 3H2 produces, I forgot, 2NH3. 2NH3. That is hyper critical. Cool. So, using the information above, how many moles of NH3 you can make. Really what this is asking for is, but we just need to find the limiting and excess reactant. So the key thing here is reactant, okay? This is a product. So for this problem, I cross it out so I don't have to think about it. Now, where this can be really confusing is doing the math, okay? So this is our balanced formula. I've got my mole map, which I'll bring in and out from time to time. Here it is, sort of to explain it. All right. But what I have to find out is what am I going to run out of first? So it tells me how many things I have. I have 6 moles of hydrogen gas and 3 moles of nitrogen gas. What am I going to run out of first? This is how we do it. All right, so let's start with hydrogen. Same thing, guns. Start with what you know and put it over 1. 6 mole H2 over 1. Now, I know I'm going to want to cancel out my units, so I know moles is going to go on the bottom, but for those of you who would rather use a mole map, this is essentially what I'm doing. I am trying to turn moles of H2 into moles of my other thing. In this case, my other reactant is N2. Okay, so that's how I'm doing that. And I am just doing exactly what the mole map says. The mole map says to write this mole of the thing you're trying to find into mole of the thing that you already have. Cool. So mole, and I need my balance equation for that. So I know mole H2. My balance equation says I have 3. And I'm looking to see how much N2 I would need. So 1. Cool. This cancels out. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 moles of N2. Okay. So what this is saying is when I have 6 moles of hydrogen gas, I only need 2 moles of hydrogen gas. And I have to take this number and I have to compare it to this number. Do I have enough? I need 2, but I have 3. So I have plenty. So what this is telling me is for N2, I've got plenty of it. I have an excess of it. In fact, you can do that math. I have an excess of 1 mole. So that means that this is an excess, right? So I can confidently say that N2 is my excess reactant. Well, how many reactants do I have? I only have 2 of them. So if this is my excess, then there's only 1 left. So that means that H2 is my limiting reactant.